Is your Mk4 Golf's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door latch microswitches and a weak Siren battery. The microswitches, located in each door latch, can corrode or wear out, sending false door open signals to the immobilizer control module and triggering the alarm. Similarly, the Siren has its own dedicated battery that degrades over time, leading to intermittent honking or alarm failures. Start by inspecting these components. Use an OBD2 scanner like VCDS to check for fault codes, especially P1640. Also, listen closely to see if the alarm only goes off when it rains or when doors are opened, which could indicate a specific microswitch issue. You can often fix this issue yourself. First, test the door latch microswitches for continuity. Resistance should be under 1 ohm. Clean the contacts with electrical contact cleaner or replace the switches with Bosch equivalents if needed, around $15. Next, check the Siren battery voltage. It should be above 12.6 volts. If low, replace the Siren battery. For resets, try cycling the ignition or using a specific sequence. Turn the ignition to position 2, press and hold the panic button on the key fob for 10 seconds. Then cycle keys. Community-driven repair ecosystems, like those on VW Vortex, golfmk4.org, and YouTube channels such as VW Repair Guy, offer step-by-step videos. Remember, sustainable fixes with remanufactured microswitches from ECS Tuning are often more reliable than OEM parts.